Have you ever wondered how to start your own organic garden? Organic gardening is a method of growing plants without synthetic fertilizers or pesticides, offering a healthier and more sustainable alternative. This video will guide you through the process. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to start your own organic garden. The first step in starting an organic garden is planning. It's like the blueprint of a house. It sets the foundation. Selecting the right spot, choosing what to grow, and knowing when to plant are all key. Once you've planned out your garden, it's time to move on to the next step. The second step in starting an organic garden is preparing the soil. Healthy soil is vital for thriving plants. Start by removing any weeds, then enrich your soil with compost. This organic matter improves soil structure and nourishes your plants. With your soil prepared, you're ready to start planting. The third step in starting an organic garden is planting and caring for your garden. Gentle hands are key when planting seeds or seedlings. As they sprout, opt for organic pest control methods and water wisely. With proper care, your organic garden will thrive. Starting an organic garden may seem daunting, but with these simple steps, anyone can do it. Just remember, plan, prepare, plant, and care. Now it's your turn to cultivate your green thumb. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!